Hello chaps, and welcome back to Tino Car Care. As you can see, the weather's not the best today. Luckily, we have a car on the ground, so let's make our way there now.
Poetics, bring the drums in.
So chaps, now we're going to be taking care of the stunning Audi R8.
Okay guys, this car is in for a supreme valet. So basically, the paintwork is really rough, so it needs a good clay bar and decontamination. And afterwards we'll finish off with a polish. But firstly, we're going to work on these wheels here. And then we're going to do the whole car, and then we're going to finish off with the inside.
For the wheels, I'm going to spray them with pre-wash and then pressure wash them to remove the majority of the dirt. Now that I have foamed the wheel up, I'm going to go to work on it using different brushes and a wheel mitt. Honestly, out of all of the supercars I have ever driven, the R8 seems to be one of the most comfortable, as it isn't a tight squeeze inside. As in most supercars, it's really difficult to go inside.
Time for the snow foam chaps.
So chaps, here I tried a little experiment to make the snow foam as thick as possible, using a thicker kind of mixture. However, it backfired as the snow foam just couldn't handle it. But it does look interesting, and also it still does its job. Next up, I do an initial pressure wash of this Audi R8. For more content like this, be sure to subscribe and definitely turn on that notification button.
Now we're going to decontaminate this car with an iron remover.
Iron fallout builds up on your vehicle and can cause damage and rust to your paintwork if not removed. This fallout comes from many places, mainly the brake discs of cars when you put your foot down on your brakes when driving, and also train tracks. So the main way to remove these iron oxide particles from your paint is chemically, like you see me doing. When you do this, the iron will melt into a purple color and it will seem like the car is bleeding. I leave the iron remover on the car for a couple minutes, then pressure wash it off. Now comes the contact stage. I use a higher concentration of shampoo in order to aid with the decontamination of this car. Tar and glue remover is also used to further decontaminate the car. This ultra soft Tino detailing brush is perfect for safely getting into those hard to reach areas. Okay chaps, I now reverse the car to get a new angle on the wheels and rinse the shampoo off the car.
For those of you that made it this far into the video, I've got the ultimate detailing secret for you. Come have a look. This is the replacement for your traditional clay bar, as it's way more efficient and it changes the game of detailing. Let me tell you why. So can you see all of the holes it has? Once it collects anything, it goes into the hole and it stays there, and it doesn't affect your clay bar at all. So it's safer for the paintwork, and as you're clay barring it, it won't mar your paint or anything like that. And also, if you drop it, it doesn't mean that you have to throw it away. It means that you can just go to the tap and it all comes flushing down. So that's the beauty of it. And the main thing of this is just how quick you can clay bar a car. As you can see, the difference in size. So imagine with the clay bar, you have this much to work with, but with the Tino clay towel, you have this much to work with. So now I want to do a demonstration for you guys. Check this out. So this is the small clay bar that everyone has. Or small area you can work with. So now let's try that again.
As you saw, the clay bar was limited to a small section of the car due to the small size. However, look at the big difference as the Tino clay towel covers a much larger area.
So with the small clay bar, it used to take me 2 hours. With this bad boy, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. So you're saving time in the process and money. So you're making more money just from this. If you're interested in this product, link is in the description. I highly recommend it. This is the best thing on the market right now.
Time for a final rinse off. I now dry the R8. Honestly chaps, I'm a big fan of Audi and I love their cars. But in the comments below, let me know which car brand you are a fan of.
Time for the windows.
I now perform a hand polish, going in circular motions and applying light to medium pressure.
Okay chaps, now the polish is applied. We're going to move on to the interior until the polish dries. But first, let me show you this car.
Looks pretty awesome, right? If anyone knows what car this is, then leave it in the comments below. Anyways, let's get back to work. Chaps, be sure to change the filter in your vacuum regularly, as it makes a big difference in terms of suction power.
So guys, the best way to know if the polish is ready to come off is to get your finger and just make like a line. And if you can see, if it goes straight through and there's no smudges, it's ready to come off.
Constantly change the side of the microfiber cloth when removing the polish. Time to enhance and protect the car with a final spray coating.
Alright chaps, the Supreme Valley is now complete. Have a look at the results. Enjoy. I hope you've enjoyed the video chaps. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one.